Are you tired of feeling stuck, drained, and unfulfilled despite all your efforts? Do you find yourself longing for a life that lights you up, yet something always seems to be holding you back? If so, you're not alone. But what if I told you the solution lies within your power of visualization? We live in a universe governed by energy and vibrations. Every thought, emotion, and belief you hold creates a corresponding vibration that attracts matching circumstances into your reality. Visualization is the key that allows you to harness this universal law and shape your world from the inside out. Once you master this art, an unstoppable force awakens within you, catalyzing profound shifts across all areas of your life. In this video, I'm explaining the 10 powerful principles that will revolutionize your ability to visualize effectively and manifest the life you truly desire. 1. Prepare yourself for an incredible shift. The first principle sets the foundation. Prepare yourself for an incredible shift in your life. Visualization is not a casual exercise. It's a profound process of transformation that will dismantle your limiting beliefs and awaken the infinite creative force pulsing within you. You are not a rigid, finite being. You are a dynamic, ever-evolving expression of the universe's boundless energy. Embracing this truth is crucial, for it empowers you to shed the shackles of your conditioned mind and soar beyond its artificial constraints. It begins by cultivating a sense of openness, curiosity, and a willingness to let go of what you think you know. Just as a sculptor approaches a formless lump of clay with an open mind, allowing the true masterpiece to emerge, you must approach your inner world with the same beginner's mindset. 2. Loosen the illusion of separation. Our next principle delves into a profound truth. The illusion of separation between you and the universe is merely a perception, not an absolute reality. You are an intrinsic part of the vast, interconnected tapestry of existence, inseparable from the creative forces that shape all that is. This realization is crucial, for when you truly understand that you are not a discrete, isolated entity, but rather a vibrational extension of the cosmos itself, you begin to access the infinite potential that lies within you. Imagine yourself as a single thread in a grand cosmic tapestry, intrinsically woven into the very fabric of reality. Just as a single thread cannot be separated from the tapestry without unraveling the entire design, you are an integral part of the universe's grand symphony. 3. Use the power of focused intention. The third principle introduces the power of focused intention. Visualization is not merely a mental exercise, it's a precise art of directing your energy and attention towards your desired reality with laser-like precision. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are not idle passengers in your life's journey. They are the very architects of your experiences. When you learn to focus your intention with unwavering clarity and conviction, you align the full force of your being with the creative currents of the universe. Imagine yourself as a skilled archer, drawing back the bow of your intention with steady hands and a keen eye fixed upon the target of your desired reality. With each breath, you amplify the power of your focus until the moment arrives to release the arrow of your visualization into the vast expanse of infinite possibility. 4. Live your desired reality. The fourth principle guides you to embody your desired reality with every fiber of your being. Visualization is not a mere mental rehearsal. It's a full-bodied, multi-sensory immersion into the reality you wish to experience. Engage all your senses. See the vivid colors, hear the sounds, feel the textures, smell the fragrances, and taste the flavors of your envisioned world. Allow yourself to become fully present within this reality, experiencing it as tangibly as you would the physical world around you. Imagine yourself stepping into a virtual reality simulation so realistic and immersive that every aspect of your being is convinced of its authenticity. This is the power of embodied visualization, to live, breathe, and exist within the reality you desire until the boundaries between imagination and manifestation begin to dissolve. 5. Align with the frequency of your desires. The fifth principle unveils the secret of aligning with the frequency of your desires. The universe operates on a vast spectrum of vibrational frequencies, and the key to manifesting your dreams lies in attuning your personal frequency to match the frequency of that which you seek to attract. Imagine yourself as a radio receiver, tuning into the specific frequency that carries the broadcast of your desired reality. As you bring your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs into vibrational harmony with that frequency, you begin to resonate with its signal, attracting its corresponding experiences into your life. This principle empowers you to transcend the limitations of your current circumstances and tap into the boundless potential that exists within the universal field of infinite possibilities. 6. Develop steady faith. The sixth principle is cultivating unwavering faith in the process of visualization and manifestation. Doubt is the greatest impediment to your creative power, for it introduces dissonance into the harmonious vibrations you seek to establish. Faith is not a blind belief, it's a deep, unshakable trust in the universal laws that govern our existence. When you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with these laws, you open the floodgates of abundance, allowing the universe to orchestrate a symphony of synchronicities that will astound and delight you. Imagine yourself as a sailboat, setting your course with unwavering conviction, trusting the winds of the universe to carry you towards your desired destination. Even when the waters seem turbulent or the skies appear overcast, your faith remains steadfast, knowing that the currents of life are ultimately guiding you towards your highest good. 7. Join the journey with patience and gratitude. The seventh principle reminds you to embrace the journey of manifestation with patience and gratitude. Transformation is a process, not an instantaneous event, and your ability to remain present and appreciative of each step will determine the depth and richness of your experience. Appreciate the small victories, the subtle shifts, and the moments of insight that occur along the way. Each of these signposts is a confirmation that you are on the right path, co-creating your reality with the universe in perfect harmony. Imagine yourself as a gardener, tenderly nurturing the seeds of your desires with patience, care, and gratitude. You understand that the process of growth cannot be rushed, but you also know that with consistent effort and unwavering faith, those seeds will eventually blossom into a magnificent garden of abundance. 8. Surrender to the flow of life. The eighth principle invites you to surrender to the flow of life, trusting that the universe has a plan far grander and more intricate than your limited perspective can comprehend. While your focused intention is crucial, there is also a profound wisdom in releasing your attachment to specific outcomes and allowing the universe to guide you towards your highest good. Imagine yourself as a leaf floating upon a gentle stream, carried by the currents of life towards your ultimate destination. While you may encounter twists, turns, and occasional turbulence, you remain anchored in the knowledge that the stream's natural flow will ultimately lead you to where you need to be. This principle teaches you to embrace the uncertainties of life with grace and trust, recognizing that often the universe has a far more magnificent plan in store for you than you could ever have envisioned on your own. 9. Personalize the experience of love and compassion. The ninth principle emphasizes the importance of feeling love and compassion in your visualization practice. Love is the highest frequency in the universe, and when you align yourself with this powerful force, you open the doors to limitless possibilities and profound transformation. Imagine yourself as a radiant beacon of love, emanating warmth, kindness, and acceptance towards yourself and all beings. From this elevated state of consciousness, your visualization takes on a deeper resonance, attracting experiences that reflect the beauty, harmony, and interconnectedness of all life. This principle reminds you that true manifestation is not merely about acquiring material possessions or external validation. It's about cultivating a state of being that is in alignment with the highest vibrations of the universe, a state of unconditional love, compassion, and unity. 10. Put your visualization into daily living. The 10th and final principle encourages you to integrate your visualization practice into every aspect of your daily living. Manifestation is not a compartmentalized endeavor. It's a continuous, ever-present state of being that permeates every moment of your existence. Picture yourself as an artist, with your whole life being the canvas. With every thought you have, emotion you feel, and action you take, you are painting and sculpting that canvas to align with the vision you want to create. Each decision, conversation, and ordinary moment of the day presents an opportunity to vividly sense and feel the reality you are aiming to manifest. It's about living from that heightened state of what you want to experience, rather than slipping back into unconscious thought patterns misaligned with your vision. When you are brushing your teeth, waiting in line, or doing chores, You can vividly visualize and emotionally experience your desired life as if it's already here. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.